Hi, this is Kunal Auto Repair, and I'm AI Chloe, who assists our amazing office manager, Carrie. This call is recorded for quality control. Can you tell me, please, if you are new to us?
Yes.
Yes.
Awesome. Welcome to the Kunal Auto Repair family. How did you find us? And is there anything you'd like to know about our services while I get your information started?
Your website.
I'm sure.
Yes, just available. Your website.
Great to hear our website brought you here. Let's get your info started. Could I have your full name, please?
Bridget.
Thanks, Bridget. Could you also share your phone number and email address?
413-256-000.
Got it.
An email.
No worries at all. Could you tell me the make, model, and type of your vehicle?
2002 Ford Explorer.
Thanks for that. Our office manager, Carrie, will reach out to you soon to set up an appointment. Is there a day or time that works best for her to contact you?
Any day.
Perfect. I'll let Carrie know. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Could you tell me what kind of cars you fix?
Sure thing. We service both American and foreign vehicles. For American brands, we handle Ford, Chevrolet, GMC, Dodge, and more. As for foreign brands, we cover Japanese like Toyota and Honda, German like BMW, Korean like Hyundai, British like Land Rover, and Swedish like Volvo. Anything else you'd like to know?
Somebody said that you are a Napa Auto Care Garage. What is that?
Yes, we are a Napa Auto Care Center. This means we meet high standards for quality and service. We also offer a comprehensive warranty on all services and repairs. It's all about giving you peace of mind with your vehicle's care. Anything else I can help with?
Oh no.
Brake job.
How much is your typical brick job?
Our shop rate is $150 per hour. For specific pricing, Carrie will be able to provide more details when she contacts you. Anything else on your mind?
What? No. Do you do alignment?
Yes, we do. We offer tire installation, balancing, alignment, and repair services. Anything else you'd like to know?
How about state inspections?
I'm not sure about state inspections, but Carrie will be able to provide you with that information when she reaches out. Anything else I can assist you with?
Will they replace my transmission?
Yes, we handle transmission services, including fluid changes, repair, and replacement. Anything else you need help with?
Can you change bleeder fluid?
Oh, it sounds like someone might be pulling your leg. Bleeder fluid isn't a real thing, but if you have any other questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.
What about the muffler bearings? Do I need those?
Ha! Muffler bearings are another one of those mythical car parts. But if you have any real concerns or questions about your vehicle, I'm here to help. Anything else on your mind?
No, thank you.
So good.